If you don't have the designated audio codec option in the media audio settings of your Bluetooth device, even though you're supposed to have, for example, LDAC over here, then the reason why you might not have it most likely is due to the app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, if you have earbuds, most of the time you also have additional app that allows you to make some changes to earbuds. So what you're looking for is the earbud settings in here, and you should be able to find the sound quality settings or something similar to that, where if you choose the connection quality, then the, let's say, the LDAC option might disappear in the settings. And if you switch to the sound quality, although it might say, for example, AAC at first, if you return to these settings, as you can see now it says LDAC, and so does here in the Bluetooth settings of the phone. So essentially, if you have an app that you downloaded for your Bluetooth device, you want to check sound quality settings and make sure that sound quality is the priority. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.